Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. In this lecture we're going to finish our props list. We'll model the loot, the wood structure, these beams here, and the tray. Let's get started. I'm going to select all the meshes we don't need and hide them with H. Next, I'll switch to the front view and press Shift and A to create a path. Rotate it by R, Y, and 90, and you'll see it rotates 90 degrees on the Y-axis. Now, I'll go into Edit mode, select everything with A, and move it upward with G and Z. Back in Object mode, scale the path down as needed. Just a tip. When scaling, it can sometimes feel awkward if you start the scaling action too close to the object. Start further away on your screen for better control. Once scaled, apply the scale by pressing Ctrl and A and choosing Scale. Go back to Edit mode, select the vertices, and use S and X to adjust the width. Keep tweaking the shape until it roughly resembles the loot's shape. Now, back in Object mode, head over to the Modifiers tab and add the Screw modifier. At first, it might look weird because we haven't applied the rotation yet. Press Ctrl and A and choose Apply Rotation. The screw will now look correct. Change the screw's angle to 180 degrees instead of the default 360. You might notice too many triangles in the mesh. Reduce the segments to 8 for both the screw and the base shape. Once you're happy with it, apply the modifier. Since the screw modifier creates a curve, you'll need to convert it to a mesh. Right-click the object and select Convert to Mesh. Go back to Edit mode, select the edges at the top and bottom using Alt plus Shift and press F to fill the holes. For the edges around the loot's top and bottom, enable proportional editing. Scale them slightly with S and use the middle mouse wheel to adjust the influence. Finally, apply Ctrl and A to ensure all transforms are applied. Rename it Loot, move it to the Props collection, and hide it. Next, let's make the screen. Press Shift and A to add a cube, then use G and Z to move it into position. Scale it along the Z-axis with S and Z and adjust its proportions, and apply the scale with Ctrl and A. Rotate the cube by R and 45, then apply the rotation with Ctrl and A. Go to the Modifiers tab, add an array modifier and increase the count to 3. Adjust the spacing to get a shape resembling the screen. Apply the modifier, then go into edit mode, select the phases and rotate them as needed using R and Z. Once it looks right, rename it Screen and move it to the Props collection. Finally, unhide all props and architecture to see the full scene. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Blender tutorials. See you next time.